Hi guys, it's me again, Mama Jane's Journey, and for today's video, let's cook Pompano fish. Here are garlics, ginger, tomatoes, onion, and we have some soy sauce, white vinegar, olive oil, and of course the Pompano fish. Let's saute the onions. Just fry a little bit and then put a little bit of ginger and garlic. And after that, let's put our Pompano fish already. Garlic and ginger. Put a little bit of salt and pepper. And then let's put our tomatoes there, our soy sauce, and the vinegar, and also the L'Oreal. And I also added a little bit of lemon juice and pepper. And after that, I also added this asparagus. Almost the same time with the fish, because fish will cook very quick, just 10 minutes I think, or more, a little bit. And then it's like that. This is ready to eat now. Bon appetit everyone.